Hey everyone, welcome back to another key term in affiliate marketing, and that is traffic. Traffic in digital marketing. If you've been wondering why every successful online business talks about traffic, stick around. So what is traffic in digital marketing? In the simplest terms, traffic refers to the visitors that come to your website or landing pages. Just like cars on a road, the more visitors you have, the more traffic you generate. But it's not just about quantity, it's also about quality. In affiliate marketing, the goal is to attract visitors who are genuinely interested in what you are offering. Types of traffic. There are different types of traffic that you'll encounter as an affiliate marketer. Organic traffic. This comes from search engines like Google, Bing, and others through unpaid or free listings. It takes time, but it can be very rewarding. Paid traffic. This is traffic you pay for, like ads on Google, Facebook, or other platforms. It's great for quick results. Social traffic. Visitors that come from social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly Twitter, etc. Referral traffic. This comes from links on other websites, blogs, or forums pointing to your content. Why is traffic important? Without traffic, your affiliate marketing efforts won't lead anywhere. It's like having a great store, but no customers walking through the door. The more targeted traffic you attract, the better your chances of converting visitors into clicks, sales, or leads. How to generate traffic? Here's a quick tip for generating traffic. SEO, or search engine optimization. By optimizing your content for search engines, you can improve your website visibility. But keep in mind that the content must be optimized for the visitors, for human beings. Content marketing. Consistently creating high-quality, helpful content can attract a steady stream of visitors. Social media marketing. Sharing your content and engaging with users can help drive traffic. Paid advertising. Running ads can deliver traffic faster, but it requires careful planning and budgeting. Quick tip for beginners. Focus on one traffic source at a time. Master it before moving on to others. Trying to do everything at once can spread you too thin and lead to less effective results. That's a quick overview of traffic in affiliate marketing. It's one of the most important pieces of puzzle to get right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the rest of our video glossary series for more affiliate marketing insights. See you in the next one.